The reason you are not manifesting your dream reality is because you are missing this one key element or this one key step, and that is full embodiment. Without really embodying what you want to manifest, you cannot manifest it. Embodying means that you fully accept it, you fully embody the new identity, new level of consciousness of the person who is already living. If you are still visualizing, if you are still scripting, if you are still doing the inner work, it's because you have not yet embodied that identity, that person who is already there. People talk about shifting identity, becoming the new version of you. What I want to share with you in this video is that it goes deeper than that. That vision that you have for yourself, what you're manifesting, is real. That desire would never ever come to you if it wasn't already existing. What you want already exists. The desire you want to manifest, it's yours because it wants to manifest itself in physical reality. In other words, that is your GPS, your geometry. This is your proof that it's here. Otherwise, it wouldn't even come to you. You are getting these downloads from higher dimension in form of desires or visions, not randomly, not because you have this wild imagination. It is coming to you, especially if appearing in your vision over and over again. It's because it's there for a reason. The reason is simple. It is the signal from your parallel self telling you where you need to go. And when you understand that that desire is already a proof that that desired reality already exists, then you can start remembering. And this is the key, my dear. It's not about becoming this amplified persona or shifting this identity into someone or something that is outside of your reach. It is not about the dysregulated nervous system where when you feel like it's too big for me. It's about remembering. It's about that coherence on the deepest level. Coherence with that desire. That desire is here to show you your soul's blueprint, literally. And what you need to do is to accept it and understand that it wouldn't even appear if it wasn't already yours. This is the key work. It's about remembering. And so the fastest way to embody your new self, the truth, your divine truth, is to switch from desire to remembering. If you can switch from desire to actually remembering that new reality, which is that new identity of yours, then you will automatically embody it. So what do I mean by this? Because people ask me all the time, how do I embody it? How? Do I think like her? I act like her? I walk like her? I talk like her? What do I do? Here's the thing. I want you to remember. I don't want you to perform. I don't want you to do visualization and affirmations 100 times a day. I want you to remember. Remember who you are. That's your true self that is calling you to go home. So how do we remember? Well, obviously, we remember when we tap into that imagination. That imagination is the space that is going to allow you to get a download how it feels to be her, how it feels to remember to be you. And that is the work you do on a daily basis. You go there in your meditation, you tap into your imagination, you connect to that higher dimension, and that's how you will know how to feel, how to act, what to do next. And that is exactly how you embody her. Now, if you want to dig deeper, I want to invite you to my upcoming program for those who want to embody multidimensional abundance called the Multidimensional Abundance Code. We are literally starting on Lionsgate Portal 88, which is soon, and you can find the link in the description below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.